It's only been 6 months since we fetched Zuri in Cannes, France, her birthplace, and sailed her just over 7,000 miles back to America. Our friend Florian kindly did the christening of Zuri for us at the Bali factory, with all our friends there in attendance to celebrate this day with us.
To the sea, to the sailors before us, to Zuri 3.
To the sea, to the sailors before us, to Zuri 3.
Since then, Zuri has been the venue for almost every single gathering that we've had with fans, friends and family. And we've all come to realize that she is literally the ultimate entertainment platform.
Up you go. Perfect. Nice moment.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
Sharon, cheers.
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 So while the Bali is great for entertainment at anchor, how does she fare at sea with a full crew of 8 for a long period of time? Well, let's take a look. This is pretty exciting. We're here getting ready for the ARC rally across the Atlantic.
Go down with an angle.
So let's see. So that's now 7 o'clock. So let's see what's going to happen. So this is just a rough estimate. And then the 47
Winds picked up, and just calculating time to distance, time to destination, etc. We're going along pretty nicely right now. Winds picked up to 15, 16 knots true, and we're doing between 8 and 8.6 knots on wing and wing.
We have a crew of 8, and each with their own tasks assigned. And you would imagine that with 8 crew on board, it can get quite tight for as long as this crossing might take, which could be up to 16, 18, 20 days. But it looks like everybody is happy at this point. All of us had enough space. There's enough lounging spaces everywhere on the Bali so that people don't feel cramped or feel on top of each other. And we're all living the dream here.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Stephen, how does this feel? Oh my goodness, this has been
Feels great to be back. It's been a long trip, but it's been a great trip. Happy to be back and happy to be safe. And thanks to the boat. Been a
we
great
happen to love our boat. Thank you, Bali. A fantastic vessel. We couldn't have asked for a nicer boat to do this long crossing on.
The problem with this boat is once we get crew on board, we have to get them off with tire levers.
Oh, isn't that the truth?
Far too comfortable for crew, this boat.
So guys, you can see, underway or at anchor, this boat is a winner. If you're in the market for one of these Balis, 46, 48 or 54, for private use or in a crew charter business, email or call us for the specifications and price lists.